Do you understand English but struggle to speak it confidently? In the next few minutes, you'll hear a natural English conversation that can help you sound more fluent, speak more naturally, and build confidence in real-life situations.
Discussing your favorite time to go to bed. What time do you usually like to go to bed?
My favorite time to go to bed is around 10 o'clock at night.
That sounds like a healthy bedtime.
Yes, I feel much better when I sleep early.
Do you always go to bed at 10 o'clock?
I try to, but sometimes I stay up later.
What makes you stay up late?
Sometimes I watch a movie or finish my homework.
I understand, because that happens to me too.
What is your favorite time to go to bed?
I prefer going to bed around 9:30.
That is even earlier than my bedtime.
Yes, I like waking up early in the morning.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock.
That is a good habit.
Thank you. I feel more energetic during the day.
I notice that I am more productive when I sleep early.
How many hours of sleep do you usually get?
I usually get about 8 hours of sleep.
That is the amount experts often recommend.
Yes, and it helps me focus better in school.
I completely agree with you.
Do you ever stay up past midnight?
Only on special occasions or during holidays.
I rarely stay up that late because I feel tired the next day.
The same thing happens to me.
What do you usually do before bedtime?
I like reading a book and listening to soft music.
That sounds very relaxing.
It helps me fall asleep more quickly.
I usually turn off my phone and dim the lights.
That is a smart bedtime routine.
I try to avoid screens before sleeping.
I have heard that bright screens can affect sleep quality.
Yes, that is why I put my phone away at night.
Do you drink anything before going to bed?
Sometimes I drink a warm glass of milk.
That sounds comforting.
What about you?
I usually drink a cup of herbal tea.
That seems like a relaxing way to end the day.
It really helps me feel calm and peaceful.
Do your friends have similar bedtimes?
Not really. Some of them stay awake until midnight.
That would be difficult for me.
Me too, because I enjoy having a regular sleep schedule.
A regular bedtime makes life easier.
I think so, because it helps me stay healthy.
My parents always encourage me to sleep early.
My parents say the same thing.
They are probably right about that.
Yes, good sleep is very important for students.
It improves learning, memory, and concentration.
That is why I try to keep my bedtime routine consistent.
I will continue going to bed around 10 o'clock.
And I will continue going to bed around 9:30.
It seems we both enjoy sleeping early.
Yes, because it helps us feel refreshed and ready for the next day.
I completely agree, and that is why early bedtime is my favorite choice.